So we are going to start the revision of the most important topic, parts and wholes, where many variety of questions you can expect in the examination. So let us start revision with this chapter. One worksheet is shared here. Try to answer them as early as possible, as quick as possible, so that we can cover more questions. If we waste time, we can cover only less questions.
Should be printed.
Questions, if you want to write, you can write the questions also. If time is not permits, then you can write questions afterwards. At least try to answer this. This worksheet I will share, only worksheet, not the answers. Answers we will discuss now. First question. A part of parts of a whole is called. This is the whole thing. When a part is discussed about the whole thing, it is called fraction.
Fraction.
Fraction. If you know the answers, you can give the quick answers. I am also trying to write the answers on the board. If you know the answers, please give, because these are very easy questions, not at all difficult. When you write a fraction, the portion above the line is called numerator. The line, the term below the line is called denominator.
Denominator.
Got it, Himani?
Yes, sir.
Good. If you have the time, write the question also. Otherwise, I will send the worksheet. Okay? Don't ask again and again. I will send the worksheet after the class. If you have the time, write the question also. Otherwise, just write the answers. Along with answers, I am giving explanation also. Numerator above part, denominator is the below part.
We have to write in book or of notebook, sir.
It is our class work. Class work. You have one class work. There you start revision for essay 1.
Sir, first one is fraction, sir.
Yeah.
Lemon. Sir, second one is 2, sir.
Second one, 2.
Numerator and denominator.
Yes. Above the line part is called numerator. Below the line is called denominator. Those are the answers. Mr. Abhinav, Abhinav, can you listen to me?
Yes, sir.
You are supposed to sit in the uniform, not in the banian and knicker. Huh? You are in the class. How dare you are, huh? How can you come to the class with the banian? Muzifa, you are wearing specs. What happened?
Sir, these are for protective.
Protective for the screen. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ragnar, switch on your video. Make it fast. What is the fourth question? Third one, fourth one are opposite. Third one is same denominator, like fractions. I give examples also here. 3 by 2, 5 by 2. I have given explanation also to you. When denominators are different, they are called unlike fractions. Furkan, switch on your video. Samuel, switch on your video. Samuel. Fourth question is completed. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions.
No, sir.
Don't write the question if it is taking time, write only the answers. But we'll share this anyhow. So many questions are there. Just look at them. All of you look at this worksheet. Look at this worksheet, all of you. See how many questions are there. See. See. These many questions are there. When I had to do all this, if you are wasting your time, you have to be quick enough. Otherwise, don't write the questions. Read the questions. You can write afterwards. We are in the revision class, so we have to be speed up. Not like the regular class. Relax and write. Question number 5. Proper fraction. What do you mean by proper fraction? Denominator is more is called proper fraction. Proper fraction means denominator is more.
More.
Numerator is less. Numerator is less than denominator. Examples also I have given to you. When 0 divided by non-zero fraction, when 0 is divided by any number, you will get 0 only. 0 divided by any number, you will get 0. But 3 by 0, something by 0 is not defined. Remember.
Sir, fifth one word, first one word, sir. Tell me. Paper, sir.
Fifth one.
Yes, sir.
What is the question? In a proper fraction, proper, not paper. In a proper fraction, numerator is less than denominator.
Okay, sir.
Proper fraction.
Proper fraction. Read slowly. It is an English word. Read slowly, one by one. Don't be in hurry.
Sir, I
Read
didn't
carefully, then
understand the
answer
sixth
it.
question.
Huh?
Sir, I didn't understand the sixth question.
Sixth question. Sixth question is, when 0 divided by a non-zero fraction, what is the quotient? If 0 is divided by any non-zero fraction, means 0 divided by a number. 0 divided by 2, what happens? What is the quotient?
0.
2 zeros is 0. So 0 is the quotient. 0 divided by any number, non-zero number. 0 divided by any number is always 0. That's the quotient. Quotient means result. Quotient means what is the result when you divide.
Dash fraction represent 15 parts of the whole.
Question number 7. Which fractions indicate same part of the whole? Same part of the whole means 1 by 2. Means half of that. 2 by 4 means again half of that. 3 by 6 again half of that. Out of 6, 3 taken. Out of 4, 2 taken. So you are taking half of that. So 1 by 2. Multiply with 2, you are getting this. Multiply with 3, you are getting this. Equivalent fractions means fractions which are equal. All are equal means they indicate the same fraction. Equivalent fractions are equal always.
The equivalent fraction,
Yes.
sir, we can't see the spelling.
See.
Sir, what is the seventh answer?
This one,
We
like
cannot-
this one. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
This 42% is there, no?
Yes, sir.
This. That is about equivalent fractions only. 1 by 6 dash by 16. So denominator 4 is becoming 16. So into 4. So above also into 4. That is equivalent fractions, which are equal.
That is answer.
Answer is on the
Equivalent.
board. Answer is there on the board.
Equivalent fraction.
Yes.
So this
Along with the answer, I am giving explanation also so that you can understand easily.
equivalent fraction.
Numerator less, it is called proper fraction. If the numerator is more, it is called improper fraction. Eighth question, numerator is more means it is improper fraction. Ninth one. To convert unlike fractions into like fractions, we need to find dash of the denominator. See, here 2 is the denominator, 3 is the denominator. They are different denominators. Like fractions means the denominator must be same. 2 and 3 are different. How to make common? How to make equal? For that you have to go for LCM. We discussed about least common multiple. 2 and 3, two different denominators. Make equal by finding LCM of that. LCM. See, 7 by 2, 3 by 2 and 7 by 3. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? What is the multiples of 2? 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. 3 multiples, 3, 6, 9. What is the common? What is the least? 6. So you can convert both into 6 denominator. 3 by 2, 3 into 3, 2 into 3 will become 9 by 6. Here I want 6. So I need to multiply by 2, which is 14 by 6. Same fractions taken the new shape where denominators are equal. Now they become like fractions. Earlier they are not like. Now they are like fractions. How I am able to get like fractions? I am changing the denominators to a number which is called LCM. So the answer is LCM, least common multiple. In 6th class, you will get about LCM in detail. Time being, remember the answer LCM. 6th class, we start with LCM and everything in detail. So you have to wait for 6 more months. Just write the answer, though I have given the explanation. How many understood?
Right answer is LCM.
LCM. Product of two numbers is 1. Then one number is called dash of the other. Look at these 4 examples. As I said, I am not just giving the answers, I am explaining in detail. Look at these 4 examples. What is the product? What is the answer? 2 into 1 by 2. What is the answer?
1 1
2 into 1 by 2. This denominator to numerator to cancel.
2 1 2 2.
1 is the answer.
1 is the answer. 2 1
3 into 1 by 3. Denominator, numerator always gets cancelled
1.
in the multiplication. 3 3 cancel, 2 2 cancel.
1.
5 5 cancel, 7 7 cancel.
1.
Now try to answer this question by observing this very closely. Product of two numbers is giving 1. Can you identify the relation between both the numbers? One number is 5 by 7.
They are the same digit. They are same digit.
They are same digit, but
But yeah, I want that.
So
But
they are
made in like the 5 is down and the 7 is up.
What is the name of that operation?
Name of fraction is called
Denominator, sir.
No, 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 no.
like or
To make a like fraction.
No, 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 no. You are almost near. Suchita. You are almost
Smart
near.
Daddy.
Huh?
No.
It is like this. It is becoming like this. Numerator, denominator. Becoming reverse. What is the
denominator.
process? Mathematical word.
Sir, reverse.
Mathematical word.
This
Fraction.
Reciprocal. Reciprocal. Reverse. Reverse is the correct word, but not mathematical word. Reciprocal. Okay?
reciprocal.
Reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 2? 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 3? 1 by 3. Reciprocal of 5 by 7? 7 by 5. Reverse. Reverse is non-mathematical word. Reverse is the correct word, but English word. Mathematical word, reciprocal. Reverse. Reverse.
English word reverse
What is the
అనేది English
reciprocal of 7 by 11? Reciprocal of 7 by 11.
11 by 7.
11 by 7.
That's all. That's all.
11 by 7, sir.
That's all. That's all. Okay. Reverse is the correct one, but not a mathematics word. It is a general English word. In mathematics, reciprocal. Whenever a number is multiplied by its reciprocal, they get cancelled. You will get 1. Got my point? So the answer is reciprocal of other number.
Reciprocal.
Reciprocal. There is one more name is also called that you will get in 6th and 7th class. Inverse. Inverse. Multiplicative inverse. One more word is there that you will get in higher classes. I don't want to tell all those. Multiplicative inverse. One more word is there. This inverse word we use in 6th and 7th. Right now, reciprocal is enough for you. Next number. See, 11th question, this word is used. A number and its inverse. What happens? They get cancelled, you will get 1. 11th question, the product of a number and its multiplicative inverse is 1. Inverse means reverse, reciprocal. Next, the product of a fraction and is the fraction itself. Okay, there is a fraction 2 by 3 into something is giving 2 by 3. What is that something? That is a question. The fraction, whatever you take, again it is coming when it is possible. A fraction is multiplied by something giving 2 by 3. What is that something?
Sir, 1.
1.
1.
1.
2, 3, 2 by 3 into 1.
Any number into 1 will be the same number. So into 1.
I will double check.
Two ones are two. Two fours are
Answer is 0, sir.
Next, product of a fraction and zero. Any finite number into zero is always zero.
Sir, what is the answer of the 12?
12th one is 1.
1. And the 13th one?
0.
Sir, where is
రాయలేదురా.
With examples I am writing on the board, not only answer, with explanation I am explaining here. If you can concentrate, you will get this. Don't waste your time in writing the questions. Many questions to be done. You are not getting my point. Write only the answers. Questions you can write later. I will share the worksheet. It is a revision class. Question answer, everything if you write, it takes a lot of time. Fourteenth one. Every whole number other than 0 has a reciprocal. For 0, there is no reciprocal. For all numbers, you have 2, 1 by 2 is there. For 3, 1 by 3. For 4, 1 by 4. But for 0, no reciprocal. Because 1 by 0 is not defined till today.
Sir, I'm done writing all the questions.
15th one. The reciprocal of all other numbers are different. 2 reciprocal 1 by 2. 2 is different, 1 by 2 is different. But only for number 1, reciprocal is same. When you divide any number with 1, you will get the same number. If you divide a fraction with 1, you will get the same fraction. Division with 1, multiplication with 1 will not make any effect on the given number or fraction.
Sir, 1 by 1 is you.
One.
I did not understand this one.
1 by 1
Word,
is
sir.
also 1.
So the 16th answer is same.
15th answer is 1. Number 1. 15th question is they are asking the number whose reciprocal is same as the number itself is 1. You understood the 16th and 17th.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you divide a number with 1 number or fraction, you will get the same thing. 17th. If 1 is divided by something, it will become reciprocal. Like 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2 is the reciprocal of 2. Here fraction or number, everything same.
Bring test once again.
18th question, inverse of 7 is 1 by 7. 19th, inverse of 2 by 5. 2 by 5 means reverse, 5 by 2. Inverse of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. Inverse of 1 by 3 is 3.
So the 21st answer is 1.
21st answer is 1. No. 6 into 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into same. A into B, B into A. We have seen this in last class patterns.
Sir, 21st answer is 2.
No,
Sir, 6.
6. They are not asking what is the value. They are not asking what is the result. They are not asking that. The result, what you said is correct. They are not asking what is the value. 6 into 1 by 3 also can be written as 1 by 3 into dash. Like A into B, B into A. Both are same, no? 2, 3 just 6, 3, 2 just 6. So you can do reverse in multiplication. That's what they are asking. They are not asking what is the result. Then what you said is correct, Imani. 6 into 1 by 3 or 1 by 3 into 6, both will be same. Of course, the result is 2. We are not asking the result. We are asking what is the missing number there.
Sir, 22nd answer was 1.
Yes.
5 into 1.
You are getting again 5 by 7. So it should be 1. Till now, whatever
Because
is
5
explained,
into 5 equals to 1.
whatever explained earlier, those concepts I am using in answering these questions.
So the 23rd answer is 0.
0 into any number is 0. That what we discussed in the earlier. See, 1 to 20, whatever questions we discussed, that is the complete foundation of this chapter.
And so the 24th answer is 1 by 7. And the 21st answer is
Same numbers, reverse.
So the 24th answer is a bit 5 into what?
25th question. 5 into something is giving 1. We discussed above product of two numbers. 1 means 1 is the reciprocal of the other. So 1 by 5 should be there, then only cancel 1 you will get. So answer is 1 by 5. Coming to 26th question. 1 by 9 is multiplied by something giving 1. You are getting 1 means they are reciprocal to each other. Same. 5 into 1 by 5, 9 into 1 by 9. Reciprocals. When reciprocals are multiplied, then only you will get 1. 27th also same thing. You are getting 2 by 7, 7 by 2. It is the reciprocal of this. That's why they get cancelled. You will get 1. 25, 26, 27, same type questions. A number multiplied by reciprocal gives 1. 28. Any number divided by 1, multiplied by 1, divided by 1, you will get the same number what you have taken. You will get same number 5 by 6. 29th. 22 by 9 divided by 22 by 9. Same number division. 2 divided by 2. What happens? 3 divided by 3. What happens?
1, sir.
Same numbers division
1, sir.
always gives 1. Whatever the properties for numbers, same for fractions. It is not the new thing. Same numbers divided. You have 3 pens dividing into 3 persons. Each will get 1. Same thing.
And so the 30th answer is 0.
0 divided by any number is 0, that we discussed.
So the 31 and
1 divided by 2 by 19 means 1 by 2 by 19. 1 divided means 1 by. So 1 by means reciprocal of that. Reciprocal of that will give 19 by 2. 1 divided is always reciprocal of the number.
ಮಾಡ್ಲಿವಾ?
If you are not able to follow, you feel free to ask. If not now, you can ask after the class also. Any doubt, you can message me anytime. There is a mathematics group. Feel free to ask in the group.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so time is done. 32-0 will be the answer. Many questions are there. We will do in the next class. Now time is now. I will share the worksheet. I will share the complete worksheet. Please try to answer as maximum as possible. If not getting, you can ask in the WhatsApp. I will give the answers to you.